now. I got a beef with my cousin and my best friend. First of all, how the hell did you get my best friend's phone number, Twitter, and everything else? And me and her been friends for the past 6.5 years, and I ain't even got her goddamn Instagram. Of course you can't. Yeah, bitch, I got the hiccups. Fuck. Of course you can't. Yeah, bitch, I got the hiccups. How do y'all feel about the first presidential debate? Donald Trump should have blew his fucking nose before he got on stage. Hillary Clinton stole Bernie Sanders' speech. Number 3. Pay attention. Those are the subject facts and all the safety rules that I have to give to y'all tonight. God bless.